How to fix headphones not working on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, we will discuss some of the ways on how we can fix if you're not being able to hear the output sound on your output device or your headphones. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now the very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and launch the settings application. Make sure you're under the system tab, and here you'll find the option called sound. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you go to system sound, first of all, you want to make sure that your headphones are actually connected over here. Make sure that it is showing on the list of these devices. This speaker is the default one. If you want to pair a new output device, you could basically tap on the add device section as well in order to pair a new one. After that, you can just select that specific headphone sound, and you want to make sure that all of the volume is set to the default one. You have the volume ones, you also have the left channel as well as the right channel. If you're not being able to actually fix your problems from here, you can also try to check for driver updates of your sound properties by going to the top right and choosing the option for check for driver updates. It is going to actually install the latest audio drivers, which will hopefully help you actually listen to sounds on your Windows PC as well. Next, you want to come back and then try to troubleshoot any of the issues that you might be having. You can go to the option called get help, or maybe you could go to troubleshoot common sound problems. Here, since it's a headphone, so it is most likely an output device. Go to the output device section and try to check and troubleshoot the sound. It is going to give you some kind of weird noises and test relations in order for you to be able to listen to music on your headphones. That's all it takes to fix headphones not working on Windows 11. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.